Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making oh, that's lasagna. No, I did it right. We are making chicken pot pie. It's also a black and white. I didn't know who made the recipe because it, like, you know how it usually has like made by or whatever, so I don't know. So I went off of Mr. Fox is who has a quote here, so it doesn't seem too bad. It called for a 2-quart baking dish. I have a baking dish that apparently is like 1.6 quarts, so that wasn't enough, so I had to get the big guns out, and this one's huge, so we're just gonna put it in there and hopefully it doesn't look that weird, but I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. Do I have any size between that? No. No, I do not. Played myself. I'm really excited to try this. I've never made chicken pot pie before. Like, never in my life have I ever thought about making it, honestly. Like, I would always get those little box ones that you see in the store. I like those, but homemade? Homemade. And one of the things that it called for was flaky biscuit dough. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Whenever I was getting all the ingredients all gathered, it didn't seem like, I mean, it just is like a dinner, vegetables gathered for a dinner basically, with the extra work being the onions and the garlic as always. So like, I don't know, I guess that's, I don't really have anything else besides that. We do, like I said, we have something from Mr. Fox. There's only 7 steps and it doesn't seem too bad. So let's see what Mr. Fox says. Oh, wow, chicken, man. I love to catch a tasty chicken. That is a major perk of Fox life. Put it in a pie? That is just so wild. I will have to try this soon. I haven't caught a chicken in about 2 years though, so maybe I'll just put something else in there instead. Maybe a rusty can. So they put a rusty can in there, and one of the ingredients calls for diced cooked chicken meat. I got a rotisserie chicken and I pulled it. It's more than 3 cups. I'm gonna be so for real. It's more than 3 cups, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And then we have something right here that says, okay, I tried it with a rusty can. Not great. Stick with the chicken if you can. Oh, I was like, chicken from like a rusty can or a literal rusty can? Oh. Why would you try that? Let's see, and what it says right down here. Chicken pot pie. A fine chicken pot pie is the perfect dish for this single lifestyle. Repeat this recipe 4 times and eat all the pies at once to celebrate not having to share them with your family members. Damn, cold. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. I did that backwards. I read the quote first and then the thing. Since there's only 7 steps, so let's go ahead and read what we have to do. That doesn't seem too bad. I don't know. Straightforward. Mixing. Put it in a pot. Baking. Cool. Yeah, I don't think I'm too worried about it. I know it's not going to look very pretty, but I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. So let's get started. Oh, also, I forgot to mention that chicken pot pie was actually a suggestion left on TikTok, so thank you so much for the suggestion. I truly do appreciate it. If there is something that you guys want me to make, I have what I'm going to be making next in the description down below, and then I have a list of options here on this part of the video, so you can skip to that to see, or I also have it in the comments and you can just click it and it'll put you there. So just trying to make it easy. I don't know YouTube, man. I'm just trying my best. But that's what we got. Let's get started. All right, and here are all the ingredients. Yeah, that's more than 3 cups of chicken, I'm sure. Like, I'm sure. But I'm excited. Let's do this. Preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The fuck? Anyway. Melt the butter. I don't know why. Why is the oven shaking? In a large sized pot, melt butter in a skillet over medium-low heat and cook the onion, carrots, celery, and garlic until the celery and carrots are tender, about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. So it's been about 15 minutes. That looks pretty tender, I think. Woohoo. Stir in peas, thyme, and flour and cook, stirring constantly until the flour coats the vegetables and begin to fry about 5 minutes. Whisk in chicken stock and cream and cook until the sauce is thick and bubbling.
They're making fun of her.
Oh?
Because she got by the AI generated image.
Oh.
Because they were like, believe everything on Facebook, you're like grandma. And then she was like, have to get the picture. AI generated, probably.
No, to wait until she comes out with guys, I'm fine.
Yeah, she's probably gonna have to. The crazy thing about it is the picture they generated. Like it's her face, but she's like holding up like a piece of cardboard, you know, like an average person would. And everyone's like, no, she's not. Why do y'all think she'll do that? Why do you think she'll hold up a piece of cardboard written in crudely legible stuff saying that she's battling cancer?
What is it? It's those, it's gonna be one of those things on Facebook where they message you and be like, hello, this is Miley Cyrus. I'm dying of cancer. Please send me your credit card number.
Please help me battle cancer.
I'm not a rich fucking billionaire and my family isn't fucking stupidly famous, but hey, I
need your money to battle cancer. Your money will help. My money's no good.
Hello, insert name here.
Yeah, it's going to be on the email later.
Season to taste with the salt and black pepper and mix in the chicken meat. Transfer the chicken, vegetables, and sauce mixture into a 2-quart baking dish. I decided I'm going to use this one anyway. Whatever. But if whatever doesn't fit, doesn't fit. Mind your business, baby. Fuck it. We'll see if I regret that. Dude, this looks cute. Arrange biscuits on the top of the filling and place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until top is golden brown. Alright. Let's open the biscuit thing. I always get scared when they're open. Let's see if I get scared or not. I'm like aware it's gonna happen. Okay. Hello? Oh, is this one of the ones where I have to... Ah! Well, there's some shit. Anyway, let's put these damn biscuits on there. Oh, it comes with 8, not 9. Try to do something. I don't think it's gonna work out. Anyway. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Oh my god, this looks good. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh my god, okay, time to pull it out. Hey! No, BB. Dude, it looks good. That would actually give me a burn, like it would hurt. In case you were curious. There it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try it. Excited! I don't know how to like get out of pot pie. It's like huge and shit. I don't want to mess up the biscuit. The biscuit's already kind of fucked. Help me! Oh! Okay, hold on. I might be making mistakes here. Why can't we use a different spoon? Use this spoon. It's like skinnier, kind of. Skinny legend. I'm just kidding. I'll put it in here. Stay. It's like I've never had a shepherd's pie, but it's reminding me of that. How do you make a shepherd's pie anyway? I don't know. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I'm excited to try it. Oh, I did drop some. Damn, that's okay. Alright, and here's the review. Wow! Dude, it smells great. This one looks a little busted, that's the one I'm gonna take. And then I put a little extra in this one. Because of course. Does it look like a chicken pot pie?
I do.
It's biscuits.
It has the chicken. It has all the vegetables.
And it's got a biscuit on top. I'm excited. The swat. It's just half. It's heavy cream or cream. Crazy, right?
Yep. It's a chicken pot pie.
It's good.
It is. Good on you, depressed fox.
I don't even know if he was the one who had the recipe. He just has a quote on there, so I wanted to put him there.
Fair enough.
I love him.
I do too. Thank you.
Thank you for trying. Dude, it's so good. I'm so hungry. Dude, that's so good. That was so easy. Like, I could just buy the pre-cut up. I mean, I wouldn't, since it doesn't taste as good. Like, that would be so easy to make for like dinner and stuff. Like, oh my god, it tastes so delicious. I want to make this at least 1 billion more times. Like, oh my god, it was easy. Like, put together. Well, the only part that took the longest was the prep, honestly, because it is currently 12:50. I started prep at 10 a.m. And then I didn't get started baking because I had to set everything like this up, and I didn't have everything already, or I didn't start cooking itself until about 11:42. So yeah, until about 11:42, and so it's done here at what, 12:51. Here we are. Yeah. So not too bad. Like, really low effort. Thank God, because, you know, I don't know. I don't know why. I've never, like, I didn't know what to expect. Like, whenever I was making the what's it called? The filling or whatever, I had no idea that it was cream. Like, that's so crazy. That is so crazy. So, I think it tastes delicious. I used a rotisserie chicken and I kept the skins in there because I like the skins of the rotisserie chicken. Delicious. Fucking whoever made the decision is a genius. It's me. But anyway, yep, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm just really happy that it was like smooth sailing, just like how they just unlocked sailing on RuneScape. I haven't tried it yet though. Thank you so much again for the suggestion on trying to make chicken pot pie. This turned out so amazing, so great. And if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time cookbook, I have a list of options right here for you. Take your time, pause to read if you need. I do have like work in progress. You could probably guess what that means. The ones I'm gonna make next, yes. And then the ones that I've already made. If there's a recipe that I've already done that you want to see, I do have the Adventure Time playlist linked below, as well as a few of the first like 3-ish episodes of those. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, if there's anything that you guys want me to make on there, please let me know in the comments down below. This was great. This is amazing. I'm super satisfied with it. Like, hell yeah, brother. So yay, yay. The reason why prep took so long too is because like I literally took apart the rotisserie chicken, so that took a minute. And now I also have like shredded chicken for like other days too, so like fuck yeah. I didn't have to go that hard. But yep, that's it. Do you guys like chicken pot pie? Do you guys like any kinds of pies? Speaking of pie, the next one that I'll be making is apple pie. And that was also a suggestion left on TikTok. So thank you again so much for leaving the suggestion. You guys can leave suggestions on YouTube, on the TikTok videos, on Instagram, as well as Twitter. So you got 4 options. And if none of those options work for you, look man, I did everything I could. Here's a list of everything that I'm going to be making next. I don't know if it's going to be in this order, but it's, at least for now, it's going to be kind of. So last time we had whitewater mac and cheese. That was so good. That was so good. Oh my god. Delicious. Ate it all week. Good time. My tummy, I had to use the restroom, so yeah. TMI. Sorry about that. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. Would you guys try making this pot pie? If you liked it, please let me know in the comments down below, as well as your suggestions or anything else that you may want me to know. I just gave you guys TMI, so don't keep y'all's too crazy on the TMI, you know? I don't know if that made sense. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. You're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! Alright. Let's open the biscuit thing. I always get scared when they're open. Let's see if I get scared or not. I'm like aware it's gonna happen. Okay. Hello? Oh, is this one of the ones where I have to...